Overwatch Conspiracy Theories, what's Blizzard hiding? As whispers of hidden messages and game updates grow, players around the globe begin to notice peculiar patterns emerging. Could it be that Blizzard is embedding clues about upcoming heroes and plot twists right before our eyes? Some speculate that the Overwatch team is hinting at a major map overhaul, signaling a shift in the game's storyline. Rumors swirl about secret character connections, possible betrayals, and the true motives of some of our beloved heroes. As the community delves deeper into these mysteries, excitement and anticipation for the next Overwatch update reaches a fever pitch.